Hello guys, I'm Karthikesh. In this video, we are going to draw Chrome logo using Python. So let's go and let's get it. The program of this project is little more. So just going to explain this program. First, we are going to import the turtle library. Next, we are going to import another library named time, and we are going to from the time we are going to import sleep. Next, we are giving a function called color mode and passing the values 255. By next, we are creating 4 variables named red, green, yellow and blue. Within this parenthesis, we are passing their RGB value, which is red, green, blue mixed values. Basically, these values are used in Photoshop to edit photos and videos. Let me show you some sample. So this is our RGB color. I'm passing the value of red. Okay, the output is red color. Next, we are going to create a green color. So 75, 183 and 75. So I'm going to enter here 75, 183 and 75. From this RGB values, we can get a new color. So here we are getting green. By the way, we are getting yellow and blue color. So next we are getting a variable and passing it and name and giving a value of 120. Next we are declaring the speed of the turtle. So here speed, and within this parenthesis we are passing the 2. So the turtle of speed is 2. Next here set is the angle of the turtle. It is direction of the turtle. These are common functions in turtle libraries. So next we are going to create this Chrome logo. We need this 4 petals, red petal, so some green, yellow and a blue circle. So we are passing these functions called color and red begin fill, which the overall diagram is finished, that the red color will fill there. So next passing the function called forward FD and down right circle, some common functions in the library. So by the same way, we are going to create a green petal and yellow petal and last at the circle. So here is the Chrome logo. You can simply identify here. First the turtle want to go left side and right side, something according to the images. If you have any doubts in this video, you can free to ask in the comment section or my contact number, which is given in the description. I also given this code link in description. You can check and download it. By finishing all these turtle programs, at last we are going to give this small function which is sleep and passing the variable of 5, which is the window will stop for 5 seconds. Okay, the code is finished. Let me run this program. Okay, just watch this turtle. It's finished the first red petal and green petal. Next yellow petal. At last the blue circle. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to Karthikeshrobotics.